Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're trying to get ahead of weeds before they get ahead of us this year in Pergola Nurseries, because if it moves on into spring and they get a grip, it's impossible to catch up. That's a great little tool. That's called the Korean hoe. Korean hoe is handmade from Swedish boron steel and easy to, first of all, dig out a planting hole with, but great for weeding. And underneath our hydrangea annabelles here, that's a creeping buttercup that's got a grip, and to get in around them and to get in close up to plants, it's a wonderful tool to get under weeds and get them taken out. And the earlier you get going, the earlier you get your area cleaned up. But before you get too busy in the garden, it's good to get weeding now, get cleaning now, and get ahead of those weeds before they get ahead of you. And for these awkward little places that we have here, it's hard to beat that fella. So that's the Korean hoe. Excellent for weeding on the side as well, and for digging out a planting hole instead of a trowel. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.